What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another day in the life. We're gonna call it that? I don't know. Anyway, we have some bad news, guys. Let me not say anything and let me just show you. It hurts. It hurts. Yep. If you can't tell, the Subi got hit. How you guys doing? You good? Alright, bro. Be easy. Bye, Judy. So that was the homies. Well, believe it or not, it's not that crazy. My car got hit while parked in my driveway. Yeah, but you know, we won't go into further detail besides that. That's basically what happened. You know, I was super upset about it, but it is what it is. Life happens. And I figured, hey, listen, you know, why don't we take something that's not really that positive and try to make something out of it? And that's why I figured I'd share it with you guys. So as you saw earlier, and if not, I'll insert a picture right here. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but in person you can see that it's actually dented pretty far in. It's funny because I actually just bought that car cover that you guys saw so that I can protect it from things like dust and dirt. And then go figure, like a day after I buy the car cover, the car gets hit, like while parked with the car cover on. I don't know, whatever. So it's actually been a few days since you guys seen that last clip. We're on our way right now to go get it fixed. So if you guys are wondering, to fix that kind of a dent, they're only charging me 400 bucks. I looked up online to see how much carbon fiber fenders were, because I was gonna let this be my excuse to get some, but those things are like 1,200 bucks. Damn! And it's not really worth it right now. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and grab some coffee, and then we're gonna head over to John at Sanford Auto Spa. Alright guys, you know what would be right? We can do a little pull. Third gear right now.
Why so serious?
I swear, I'm loving these Michelin Pilot Super Sports, man. These things are amazing. But anyway, real quick, I just wanted to ask everyone how you're doing. I know there's a lot going on in the world right now with, you know, overcoming systematic oppression while overcoming the coronavirus, overcoming the radiation effects of 5G. These are all very sensitive topics. You know, you start doing your own research and not just, you know, eating off of what the mainstream media is trying to spoon feed you, and it just opens your mind. Also debating on what I should do next to the Subi. I was thinking about power mods, but I'm not 100% sure, because I really like the drivability of the car right now. I mean, it's only a stage 1 plus flash from Cobb, so I was thinking maybe get a Pro Tune and then just leave it at that for a while, because I've been enjoying it. Anyway, it's super early. We just did our little Dunkin' Donuts run. Cheers. All right, so we're out here outside of the car. This is the driver's side, which you can see. This is how the fender is supposed to look. All right, perfectly smooth and round. And then if you come over here to the side that has the dent, you can tell right away. All right, if you come up here, then you can really see that crease smell amazing. Shout out to the homies over at Sanford Auto Spot for always taking good care of me. And honestly, when I went out to the car and I saw it in the sunlight, I saw it under the light that they had, it's like 98 or 99%. Awesome. I'm super excited. Really happy with the results. Of course, I highly recommend them if you haven't already. I got their info down in the description box below. But yeah, thanks so much for taking a couple minutes out of your day. I hope you liked this one. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. Consider subscribing. I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers, and I can only do it with your help. I appreciate you. Never stop growing, and I'll catch you on the next one.